What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. It was my birthday recently, so yay. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest potato side dish using Yukon Gold potatoes. Start by peeling your potatoes. I used to do all this by hand before, but recently I've invested in a proper potato peeler. It's really cool. To use it, you want to grip it firmly, then slice into the skin, just like this. Then carefully peel it off, and you'll get these small pieces. Keep repeating this until all your potatoes are peeled. This new peeler has saved me so much time and pain because before I would use my nails. Next, we need to cut the potatoes, and believe it or not, this peeler also cuts. Start in the middle and start tapping a line across until done. It's like magic. Now we need to boil the potatoes in water, but first you need to season it with some salt and baking soda. Unfortunately, I ran out of baking soda, but you can make some at home by putting a can of soda in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Boom. Fresh baking soda. When your water is boiling, add in your potatoes and let them cook for at least 15 minutes. While they're cooking, we're going to make an herb butter using garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Chop your herbs into small pieces, then add oil and butter to the saucepan at medium heat. Roast your herbs and season with salt and pepper. You're shooting for a light golden brown. Next, strain your herbs and put them on the side for later. You want to separate the flavored oils so that you can coat the potatoes and massage yourself later. Go back to the potatoes and check if they're done by putting a knife through the side until you hear a... Strain them and combine them with the oil. Now you're going to rough them up a bit because you want to create uneven edges and texture on the outside. This is what makes it crispy. Next, lay them on a baking sheet and separate them so there's air between them. Put it in a 450 degree oven for 10 minutes. Take it out. Rotate it and flip it a few times, then put it back in for another 10. And lastly, add the potatoes back into the browned herbs, give it some salt and pepper, throw in some stupid dum-dum parsley, give them a toss, and that's it.
Can you hear that? It's super crunchy, very crispy, got a great bite to it. It's crispy almost like a potato chip. Wait, is that how you make potato chips? Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. As usual, measurements and ingredients are in the link down below on my blog. Follow me everywhere on social media. Guys, this is a really great appetizer to make. Look who's calling. It's my dentist. Hey Ron, how you doing?
Hey Brian, how are you? It's Ron.
I'm good, thank you.
Say there, is everything okay? I heard a loud crunching noise all the way in Minnesota.
Oh no, I'm just making potatoes again.
Well, you better be careful now.
Yeah, the crispy
I
ones.
don't want you in my office with all your teeth cracked looking like one of those hockey players.
It's a good one, Ron.
Did everyone just unsubscribe?
Yep, they're all gone. Oh. The joke doesn't work if you leave the knife in the frame.